grab your piece of origami paper and put the side you want to see face down. Then fold it in half. Next, unfold that and you will see a crease in the middle of your paper. Take both sides of the paper and fold it to that crease. Then, take one of the corners and fold it to the middle line. It will make a triangle. Repeat on the other 3 sides. Next, we are going to fold over that triangle we just made to make a long triangle. Like this. Repeat on the other 3 sides. When you get to the second side, it will overlap a little bit with the first side. Then, take one of your middle points and fold it to the middle line. Do it on the other side. Then, very gently, we are going to fold our boat inside out. If you are not gentle, then your boat might rip, so be very careful not to rip your boat. Once you fold it inside out, just fold in the edges a little bit to make it more like a boat shape. Yay, we finished making the origami boat.